Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Ever wanted to add a burst of bright, tangy flavor to your meals? Vinegar sauce is a fantastic, versatile option, perfect for elevating so many dishes. It's surprisingly simple to make, and you can truly tailor it to your liking, whether you prefer it savory, sweet, or even a little spicy. This quick guide will show you how to whip up your own delicious, homemade vinegar sauce in just a few easy steps. To begin your vinegar sauce adventure, you'll need just a few key components. First, choose a vinegar you love. Apple cider, white wine, or even balsamic can work beautifully. Next, select a good quality oil to balance the tang, like extra virgin olive oil. Finally, gather your seasonings: salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a little honey or maple syrup if you prefer a touch of sweetness. That's really all you need for a fantastic base. Creating your sauce is incredibly straightforward. In a small bowl, combine your chosen vinegar with any sweetener you like, giving it a quick stir. Then, slowly drizzle in your oil while continuously whisking. This helps create a smooth, creamy texture rather than separating layers. Once it's nicely blended, season generously with salt and pepper, making sure to taste and adjust until it's perfectly balanced for you. Now comes the fun part: customizing your sauce. This is where you can truly make it your own. Consider adding fresh herbs such as chives, parsley, or dill for a vibrant, aromatic note. For a savory kick, finely mince some garlic or shallots and whisk them in. If you enjoy a bit of warmth, a pinch of red pepper flakes can provide a lovely, gentle heat. Experiment to find your perfect flavor profile. Your homemade vinegar sauce is ready to elevate your meals. It's fantastic drizzled over crisp green salads, adds zing to roasted vegetables, or even works as a quick marinade for chicken or fish. To keep it fresh, simply store any remaining sauce in an airtight container in your refrigerator, where it will usually last for about 1 week. Enjoy the bright, fresh flavors you've created.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.